Hey everybody on lockdown. I know it's been a rough couple of months, weeks, days. Yeah, a little bit less than a month. It's been rough on all of us, and just wanted to send out some motivation and just really remind everyone now's a great opportunity to sharpen skills and specific crafts that will uh, benefit us in the future post lockdown. And so just hope you can find motivation in this, and good luck, everybody.